Nnenna, the land remembers you.
Mother Earth,
My child, feel the heartbeat of the forest in every step. From the seed you were born, the roots have sung your name as the last living descendants of the original first line. You have a lot of responsibility to take care of. Let the sea guide your feet. Turn with the wind, child. Let the earth rise through you. The dance is not yours alone, but the song of the ancestors.
I hear you, Mother Earth. Show me the path.
May the gods forbid. How can I have a witch like you as a child? I reject it. I reject it. What are you wearing? Hey! Hey! Do you know what? Is it this your witchcraft you're practicing? One day, Nemesis will catch up with you and you'll be paraded naked and born to death in this kingdom. Okwage. Tia! Look at you. What?
All the long night. It's morning already. So the land remembers me. But Nne called me a witch. Or am I? Mother Earth, what does she has in store for me? I can hear you, Nne. What do you want me to do? The dance, it's not just a step. It's a river. It's a heartbeat. It's their voice. I shall follow the drum and let the earth rise through me.
Ike Jorunwoki Ike, you have done well. The forest has given, and I, Ikejuru, have taken. And I'm grateful. This is for my love.
Ike Jorunwoki Ike! Ah! Ike Jorunwoki Ike! Bia one. Eh? Look at that monster. You finally backed yourself a monster. That's why I always call you Eke Nwofia, Mbada Nwofia. Eh? The only man who will enter inside the bush and all the bushmeat will be saluting you and loyal, sir. Eh?
I'm the one name. How are you?
One name, look at you. I'm just here. Yeah. Hey! Look at this big grass cutter. You know what? You have to roast this shrimp because I'm starving.
You're what?
I said I'm starving because we are about to eat like kings and dine like kings.
Nnamdi, you're my friend. I am aware we are friends. But you see on this one, Olo, this is not for our consumption. Because, please, I have somewhere to go.
Eh? Look at this big grass cutter you have there, and you say you will not share with me. Me, your own good friend. Me, Nnamdi, your own friend.
Okay, Nnamdi, my dear friend, if you must know, this grass cutter belongs to Nnenna. The one I love so much. This is a special gift for her.
Ike, what is happening to you? The maiden in question doesn't even deserve this. At least you should have saved small for me, your friend. And you can give others to her other than giving her this food thing.
It will please me to make you understand that Nnenna is not just a maiden to me. Nnenna is a woman after my own heart. And there is nothing you. It will make a difference.
See. I understand you don't want to give me this news, alright? But at least you have a mother. You have a sister who I know would love this. Why not take it home and give it to them other than giving this to a woman outright? Please! Eh?
How long have you nursed the thought of shaming me with this? You should have come out straight and looked me in my eyes.
Hi.
Say it to me that I'm an irresponsible son of the family. Listen, this is my bushmeat. I caught it myself. And I shall do with it however it pleases me.
Alright. I can see you don't want to give this to me.
Obviously.
I've lost appetite. You can go on, eat your meat and do everything. I've lost appetite. I don't need it anymore.
You see, you have lost appetite. That's exactly how a real man should sound.
Okay.
Can you repeat that thing you said? You have lost what?
Ike, I said I've lost appetite.
God bless you.
Ike,
may the gods of our land grant you love so that you would understand that Nnenna is waiting for me.
Hi.
I have to go and Nnenna, my friend.
There is nothing you can advise a man who is in love that he can listen to you.
Obim, you're here.
Yes, I'm here. Obim, guess what?
What?
I have a surprise for you.
And what could that be?
Are you ready for that?
Mm-hmm.
I have a surprise for you.
Obim!
You see, this bushmeat is for you. I went to the thickest of forest to get you this. I went to the depth of the bushes to bring this for you. You see, This is that kind of gift you give a woman whose smile outshines the midday sun and whose laughter has a way of echoing to be the best.
Opium, my love, the man after my heart, the man that the gods has given to me.
Say that again.
The man that the gods has given to me. The very breath of my soul.
You're spoiling me.
How do I begin to appreciate you for all you do for me? For caring for me?
Well, you can't appreciate me enough because caring for you is one of the best things I could do as a man. Now, take this from me as a sign of welcome.
Okay, I will, my king. Oh, babe, this is big. It's heavy. So you have to sit and wait for me to prepare a sumptuous pepper soup for the both of us.
No, I don't have to wait. I don't have to wait. Well, this is specially for you. You're making this alone. You're eating this alone. You're finishing this alone. As a matter of fact, don't even include me in this bushmeat. Well, I would have to shield this house to ensure no one gets close to eat this with you. I would do that.
Oh, are you serious? This is heavy. I can't finish this alone. This thing, it can feed it.
Obim, listen,
It can feed the whole family.
Listen. Like I said, this is for you. I have to rush now. I need to go and check my other traps, okay?
But
Shh. Don't say anything.
Okay, it's fine. Will you be careful, please?
Are you going to let me walk out of this compound without giving me at least a hug that defines this beauty once again?
But promise me that next time we'll eat together. Promise me.
I promise you.
You be safe.
You too.
Bye.
Bye.
No, I miss you, but
Seriously. We have always been together. How can you be missing me when I'm here?
I know you're here. You know I like it when you do me like this. Wait,
Ego! Papa, pardon. What are you doing here with this Efulefu? Greetings, Nnenna. Greeting you, Waparon. Hold your greeting, I'm not interested. Wait, do you think you can gain access to my compound easily and go scot-free? Have I not warned you? Have I not? Be careful. I don't want to see you around my daughter. Did you hear me?
Nnenna, I won't have you call me names. The next time you try this, Nnenna, see, I mean no disrespect, but I will just tell you, you're a man, I'm a man. Eh? So you don't supposed to be calling me names like this. I know you did this thing when you were young. Yes, I will not calm down. I have to tell him, you're a man, I'm a man. Who knows if it's even karma that is even coming on you. You are here calling me names. What is it, sir? Eh? Hoping that every lady in this community are rushing for. I even coming to your daughter. You are calling me name. Achorom ya.
Am I the one you are referring to or another person? Huh? Because I cannot even see human being talking to me. Every lady here is looking for you because you are rushing wind, right?
Papa, please calm down.
I will hit you with this stuff. Keep quiet. Let me fix him.
Nnenna, like I said.
Who is Nnenna? You say he's man to man, right? Your father's age mate is now man to man with a flip like you.
Okay, Papa Ego. Papa Nnenna, like you said, I should not call you Nnenna. It's not like you be the one to marry your daughter. Somebody need to help her, and that is what I am doing. So I wonder why you are trying to make me look like I'm the worst person in this village. I'm just trying to help your daughter. Will you be the one to do it for her?
Divine helper.
Abomination, arrow.
Divine helper. You want to help my daughter? Is it the way your mother was helped when your father wanted to marry her? Don't you know everything has principle and procedure of how to do it? If you want to marry my daughter, do it. Do the needful. The way it should be. What's wrong with you?
But you don't have to talk. If you want me to do the needful, you talk to me the way the needful is supposed to be done. What is it, Seth? Eh? What is it?
Keep quiet.
It's just because something I'm doing with your daughter, you are here insulting me. See now, let me tell you the truth. I will not take this next time. Oh. I will not. I will not.
Listen to me. If you know what is good for you, never you come or step your feet inside this compound again. Else, I will call the village to throw you inside the river.
Now you won't do such a thing.
Eh?
You will not do such a thing.
Okay,
yes.
Okay.
It's not that you can't do me anything. No. I'm just respecting you. I'm just respecting you. See, who even know? It is karma that is following. This is what you do to other young girls that they are doing to your daughter. You are doing to your daughter. Come, let's go now. Follow me. Follow me. Ego, you know where we used to meet. Don't come in nine.
I see you.
Papa, we are not doing anything.
Keep quiet. Listen to me. If you do this thing and bring Mbuke here and start walking like this, I will disown you. This is not the way I did to your mother. Before she gave birth to you, I did what you're supposed to do. I married her officially. And you want to bring shame to this compound, to this family. It will not be possible. Just get out!
Well, Papa, I love him. And besides, I'm old enough to make my choice.
You're old enough to do your choice inside my house? No! You are old enough to make choices, right? Not in this sort. If you're old enough to make that your choice, that your stupid and ignorant choice, go and get out of yours. Stupid element. Hi. These children will put person in trouble. No, not in this house. No, I can't allow that to happen. Okay, no, bro. No. Stupid element. I'm a man like you. Like, let me see your leg inside this compound again. I'm destroying it.
Akoma, bye.
Nnebe, ụtụtụ ọma. I'm fine. It has been long you came. I thought the rain have stolen you away, but here you are.
No, it has not, and I'm fine. Anikejuru brought me a bushmeat yesterday, but the heart of the grass cutter belongs to you, little sister.
Yes, I roasted it with some spice and a pinch of love just for you.
The aroma is so enticing. Thank you
I'm
so
very
much.
sure you like it. Thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Okay, what is going on here? What is this witch doing in my compound? Keep your useless greetings to yourself. How many times have I warned you to stay away from my family? What are you doing here?
Mother, she came to give us this.
Shut up. Akoma said, shut up. Nnenna, how many times do you want me to tell you to go away and leave us alone? Leave her.
Mama, I just brought this for you. I thought you were going to...
I brought nothing but witchcraft. Get away. Leave my compound! Witch.
But Mother, why did you hate her so much? I don't like what you are doing, no.
If you talk again, I will slap your face. Ilem wada sali. Long throat. You want to eat witchcraft to your existing witchcraft.
I will tell you to rape he comes back. Mama. Just not that. I'm going to tell my brother when he comes back.
And what will he do? He will beat me. And I'll break your neck.
ndị ekwu na mgbada dị iche. Enne dị iche. Ịghọta. Maka onye ite ene ị ga-afụ na mgbada. Hey, oke anụ. Ndị ogini na-afịa. Nnenna. Omalicha. Ogini na-afịa, what is after you? Hey! Oh dear. I don't know what is after you, but I know one thing. I know that the moon is the yam that fell from the sky. And the stars are cola nuts that the ancestors forgot to chew. But I, Enuma, keeper of truth, yes, I can only have patience and wait until the sun decides to rest on my shoulder. But for now, I don't have your time. When you are done running, you know where to find me. Enuma has a spot. I am very wise. She will be thinking if she can hear me. Hey! What was I saying before? Hey! Nwa away from me, Uche. Nwa abofem Uche ma does upon now. Okay, the antelope I ate. Thank you! Antelope I ate somewhere. Hey, what? The antelope is a special one. You cannot compare grasshopper. Grasshopper.
Hey, finally you are back.
What is it?
You are back.
Kedifor, you are sudden test, man.
There's a problem, a very big one.
What happened?
It's Mama. She asked Nnenna to leave the house. Yes, she asked her to go, and she even threatened to cut off her legs if she ever set her feet here again.
What?
Yes.
Mama asked Nnenna to leave this house?
Yes.
Oh, Mama, why now? Why? Why? What did Nnenna do? Where's Nnenna?
She has gone home.
It's a Bugonu. It's a Bugo gossip. I said, what could that?
Mama, I'm not a gossip. I'm not a gossip.
Mama, why now?
Please let me hear something.
Why would you do that to Nnenna?
You talk again out.
Isn't Nnenna a stray dog that you would have to chase away? Don't you know that if you touch that girl, that you touched my heart?
Your heart?
Nnenna is my heart, Mama. Why now? Mama, you make you go one, make you go one.
I was thinking it's your life I touched. Heart. I can always be amended.
What is this? Why did you do this?
No, will you beat me?
Why did you do this?
You beat me.
Nnenna, please.
The next time I see that useless maiden hot again, I'll cut off her too.
Mama, you met her and Kadabaro.
No, beat me
Mama,
now.
Kadabaro, Mama, Kadabaro.
You know you like gossip. You have done it. You have what you want, okay?
What have I done?
You don't know what you don't know what you Mama, on our feet, you bend in a bend. Look at one side. Aquama!
No matter how this life treats you, no matter how people see you.
Obi.
Don't touch me.
Obi, I know how you feel, but it's not what you're thinking. Please, I'm sorry. Please.
What are you doing here? You don't belong here. You belong to your mother. Please go back to her. I don't want her to cut my legs off.
No one is chopping off your leg, my love. Listen, please, don't say things like that.
I will say whatever I want, Ikem. Please go back to your mom. I don't want her. Please just go back.
Listen, I'm sorry you had to experience this with my mom. You know how my mother can be. She's a fierce woman, but I can't do otherwise. She's my mother. Please, I beg of you. Forgive her, please.
I don't know what I've done to your mother. She wants to say nothing but tears in my eyes.
Obi, please. You don't have to say a thing like this. Okay, listen up. I will fix this. Okay? I promise I will do anything I'll fix this.
But you can't erase the hurtful words she said to me.
I can. Please. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry. Please. I will handle this. Okay?
I don't know why your mother hates me so much.
Don't worry. Everything will be alright. Let my words be our bound. Okay? Trust me. Trust me.
How people see you. Don't be afraid. Atunevu wamo. Magana gina ndimo sobiwa. Nina nizufao. Wachunga dima. Tima chunama. Mama. Watunevu inuga. Wachunga dima. Tima chunama.
Stop there. Nnenna, where do you think we are going with this basket of yam? As if it belongs to your father. And Nnenna?
But
what?
This land belongs to my family. This is my yam.
Will you shut that your dirty mouth? Huh? Nnenna, in Agbala. Then in case you don't know, this land, this farm, everything belongs to my husband, not that it's your father's cost. Nnenna, in case you don't know, you are a woman. Have it in your mind. Mama.
I'm sorry, but I don't know what you're talking about. This is my family's land. This is my land. This is my yam.
Hey! Hey! Mbeke. Just see who's talking. Just look at yourself. You even get the mouth to talk. With this your dirty mouth, you're talking back at me. Nnenna, do you even have a father? Huh? Nnenna, do you even have a father? You're a cursed child. That is why your father died a day before you were born. Eh? Nnenna, read my lips. Nnenna, read my lips. You are a cursed child, Nnenna. Give me back my basket. Give me back my yam, Nande. What have I done to you? This land belongs to my father. This is my yam now. Give me back my yam. Hey! Amana Ato people, piano! Hey! I've gotten a thief. Oh no, shit! Oh no, shit! No, you're a thief. You are a thief. Hey, it's my father's head. Hey, Arabashukweke is a man. It's not called it.
Where is it?
Yeah. Ogini Nnenna. Ogini. Why are you shouting my name like that? And what in the God's name are you doing in my compound?
With all due respect, where is your wife Mbeke? I want to see her. Bring her to me here. I want to see her.
Chelo, I don't understand. My wife, Makagini.
Your wife came to me and snatched my tubers of yam and came home with it. Please go and bring her. I want my tubers of yam. I will not leave here until I get what belongs to me.
My wife took your tubers of yam and came home with it. I don't understand.
I said your wife came to me, took my tubers of yam and brought it to your hut. So go in there, bring her and bring my tubers of yam. I want to see it. I will not leave here until I get what belongs to me.
Okay. I now understand. My wife took your tubers of yam.
Yes.
And you are here to collect your tubers of yam, right?
Yes, Nani.
There is no problem now. Are you not my late brother's daughter? I will give you your tubers of yam. I will even add some Nkwenu to beg you. Hold on, let me go and get you your tubers of yam. Oh, there's the one more. My chicken, my
Try it! Oh, you think I'll be scared of you? Try it! Use that cutlass and cut me and see.
Nnenna, when I look at you, you know you are a child of bad luck. You know, Nnenna, if not because you are my late brother's daughter, I will use this machete and cut you into pieces and throw you into that evil forest by the river. But thank your stars that you are my brother's daughter, my late brother's daughter. No, come and stand. Come and stand. Come and shout on me. I am just, if not that you are my late brother's daughter, that's Mburi Chage. I'll throw into that Otorobabukwegi. Egu.
You look like someone that has been dragged through the mud of 1,000 rivers. You have not seen anything yet.
Hey! Nnenna, you have suffered. You have suffered. So it has gotten to the point where I'm being insulted by every living being. How can a maiden like you talk to me like that? Are you okay? Are you mad? Never you try that again. Else I will beat you up and wait for your parents.
You are bold for someone whose feet are heavy to carry.
Now you listen to me. I've had it up to here. I'm tired of being chased around by men with machetes and women with sharp tongue, let alone a maiden like you that thinks she can mock me. If you know what is best for you, find your way home, else I'm going to do that for you.
Fine! You may have fire in your heart, but the night holds secrets that you cannot yet fathom. Keep moving while I go home.
Not your fault. It can never be your fault. Rubbish.
You are back.
You, this little maiden. What are you doing in my hut?
Stop calling me little maiden. I am older than your great-grandmother. I walk upon this earth before the first kola nut fell. Nnenna.
And what is that supposed to mean? You even know my name. How did you know my name?
All I know anything and everything because I am...
Where is that stupid J called Nnenna?
Nnenna, what is it?
Nnenna! Nnenna! How dare you step your foot on that land near the market? Eh? How dare you?
It belongs to my late father. That is my heritage. It is my land.
Your heritage? You say that land is your heritage? A woman like you who only squats to ease herself. You are talking about heritage. See, the next time you do that, you will not like me. Do you hear that?
This man talks too much. I'm tired of his rant.
Shut up! Shut up!
What? Nnenna, you are asking me to shut up. Are you mad?
I don't understand. I was not telling you. You cannot hear or see her. She's here. I was telling you.
Chimo!
I am immortal.
What nonsense are you talking about? Are you mad?
I don't understand. I was not telling you. You cannot hear or see her. She's here.
What are you talking about?
Are you a spirit?
There is nobody here now. What are you talking about?
I am immortal. I've watched generations rise and fall.
I don't understand. You mean you're a spirit?
Hey!
See you?
Nnenna, I have known you to be bad luck. I never knew you have joined witchcraft.
I'm not a witch. I'm not a witch. She's here.
Hey!
She's standing here. I don't know why you're not seeing her. I don't understand. You're a spirit. Am I dreaming?
No. This is your reality. Only you can see and hear me. Remember that. The land is alive, so I am. When you feel the weight of the world, call upon the roots beneath you. They will answer.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings. Hold on. Who are you?
My name is Ikejuru, the son of late Okonkwo. My house is not far from here. I feed in the wild and I hunt in the savannas. As you can see, I'm actually going for hunting.
Oh, a hunter. That's obvious. And you have a nice physique, I must say.
Thank you, my princess. If you don't mind, I have to continue my movement.
All right, go ahead.
Thank you.
He looks nice, right? I know nature will surely bring us back together again. Let's go. Greetings, Mama.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings. Mama, is this Ikejuru Konko the hunter's hut?
Yes. He is my son. I hope all is well. You're looking for him.
Yes, Mama. Everything is fine. It's just a friendly visit. So hope I'm not intruding.
No, not at all. You're welcome, my princess. Please come and sit.
Is Ikejuru?
No, he wants to see his friend. But I can send someone to fetch him if you wish.
No, Mama, please. Don't bother yourself. He's actually a friend of mine, so I thought I should just pay him a visit.
Really? Yes. You're friends? But you never mentioned that to me. You're welcome.
Thank you, Mama.
Please, what can I offer you? We have fresh wine, we have fresh fruits. Which one do you want me
Mama,
to bring?
Please, don't bother yourself. I'm just fine sitting here, okay?
But my mind will not be at ease until I attend to my royal visitor.
Now you must have a golden heart just like your son, Ikejuru. But like I said, don't bother. I'm fine. Sit. I want you to tell me more about your son, Ikejuru. Come and sit.
Oh, thank you, my princess.
Mama, I want you to tell me more about your son, Ikejuru.
I shall tell you everything you need to know about my son, Ikejuru. Okay. My son is a hunter, okay, like you already know. He's a good person. Hey. Oh yeah, now.
Mama, thank you so much.
Hey.
Organically.
This is the kind of things you should be eating, not every time swallow, with the milk. This one is not more nourishing, eh? It's to make you grow bigger and more handsome.
Mama, thank you so much, Mama. This is well made. I don't understand what's going on. Is everything alright?
Everything is perfectly well.
I was going to ask the same question because I don't understand Mother this morning.
I don't understand either.
What don't you understand?
Mama, what is going on?
I told you someone came to see you today. Someone came looking for you.
Someone came looking for me. That must be Nnamdi now. Nnamdi.
It's not Nnamdi, it's someone very special.
Would that be?
You did not tell me that you have become friends with the princess of our kingdom.
Adeze?
Yes. Cover it. Because I know you want to do long talk.
Adeze came to this compound?
Yes.
No wonder.
She sat exactly where you're sitting right now. She even ate part of this bushmeat I brought for you. And she chatted with me and made me feel so good. Those are the kind of people you should be mingling with. Wonderful naming kita. What is What is this your What is getting messy? What is wrong with you? Got new language.
Nothing.
I'll be forget. I'm going to slap you.
What will bring Adeze to this compound?
That will be when you see her. People will talk it out well. Eh? Eat your food and leave this witch.
Is there something I don't know?
Me? No.
Well, you should know now. Just leave her. I don't know. If you ask, Sebapa. Seba, get out. If rock or the car as we there. I don't know. Just don't want to say anything. People will say maybe I went out to have her. I don't know why she took everything from your father. Even this bushmeat, she'll be the one to finish everything. Yet after it will look as if you just told her the story of how we ate it. Why are you looking at me like that? Just eat. So that you'll be looking more handsome. Eat. Finish it.
My mom.
She's very beautiful.
Hey!
Ikem.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings. How are you today?
I'm fine, my princess.
I can see. You're fine. Did your mother not tell you that I visited?
She told me you came. What do you want? Hope all is well.
Yeah, sure. Everything is fine. I just felt like seeing the man that melted my heart the very first day I set my eyes on him. Come with me. I'm on my way to the village square to watch the maidens practice for the upcoming festival. So, let's go.
Well, if you don't mind, I have something more important to do.
Ikem, you can't turn down on me like that.
If you look far above the skies, you will notice the element of brightness, which is the sun. And this is the perfect time for me to reach the forest to check on my traps. So I need to get home and change into my hunting outfit. Please, I don't mean to disrespect you, but if you don't mind, the road awaits my embrace.
Are you trying to work out on me?
I'm sorry about that, but I didn't mean to. Thank you.
Onye ga-akpebu ihe, ga-akpebu ihe. Onye ga-akpebu ihe, ga-akpebu ihe. Ego ga-akpebu ihe, ga-akpebu ihe. Chioma ga-akpebu ihe, ga-akpebu ihe. Pi 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 pi. Ihe ga-akpebu. Pi 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 pi. Pi 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 pi. Pi 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 pi. Pi 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 pi. Bam. Onye ga-akpebu ihe, ga-akpebu ihe. Onye ga-akpebu ihe, ga-akpebu ihe. Adugo ga-akpebu ihe, ga-akpebu ihe. Akụọma ga-akpebu ihe, ga-akpebu ihe. Pi 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 pi. 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 Pi 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 pi. Yeah! Onye ga-akpebu ihe, ga-akpebu. Onye ga-akpebu ihe, ga-akpebu ihe. Onye ga-akpebu ihe, ga-akpebu. Nnenna ga-akpebu ihe, ga-akpebu ihe. Ga-akpebu ihe, ga-akpebu ihe. Pi 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 pi. Pi 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 pi. Pi 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 pi. I think I've twisted my ankle. Sorry. What happened to you? My princess, I was just so I fell.
You fell?
Yes.
Just get up.
I think she twisted her ankle.
Oh, sorry. Just get up.
Sorry.
Can you walk? Yes. Are you sure?
Sorry.
Oh, Guinea. Brother Ike! Why are you running like that? Why are you panting like that as if you're running from the spirit world?
Eh? Spirit? Where is the spirit?
No, you're right, Ike. You're better get out of the way,
Brother Ike!
Yes, I'm here. Why are you calling my name? Yeah, man.
Hey, Brother Ike. Thank the gods that you are here.
Mama Ndewo.
What happened? It's Nnenna.
What happened to Nnenna?
She fell at the village square.
My goodness.
And then?
And then what?
Okay, the princess helped her. When the princess saw her lying on the floor, he asked the boys to take her to the healer and they took her there. I think her ankle, maybe she twisted her ankle.
Chimo.
Yes.
Chimo. That is the payment for the weekend. And where, what is that?
No.
Where do you think you're going?
I'm going to go see Nnenna.
As the bone medicine man, what will you do? Instead of you to go and appreciate and thank the princess for a job well done, have you not heard that she's the cursed one? Have you not heard the story of her bringing misfortune upon her family? Mama. Have you not heard of her witchcraft? Why do you want to go and carry curse upon your head?
Mama, what is about curse here? How is Nnenna cursed?
Why would she be dancing with her fellow maidens and her ankle with twist? Our price of wickedness.
Mama, my day was so hectic. I am already having a very bad day. Don't add to my bad day, please.
Am I in Nnenna? What is your problem? Why are you Go. Let me just change. Why are you changing?
Let me change.
Why are you changing? Bone medicine man. What? Now you're ready. Now, so you want to...
Mama, you shouldn't have said that.
Said what?
Why will you call her a curse? She's not a curse.
Okay, you want to transfer the curse from Nnenna to yourself. Anyway, you're looking like a curse already. Because if you're not looking like a curse, by now you should have been married. What are you going there to dance? Are those people dancing? Are they your mates?
Hey, Adugo, you're really smart though. How are you able to do everything without no one seeing you?
Ego, you do not know me again.
Eh?
That stupid maiden thought she could outshine us.
I'm telling you.
I had to put her in her place. Wait, did you both look at her face?
I saw that look.
She thought she could buy the heart of everyone. Then boom! The ground reached up and grabbed her ankle.
Well, she will never forget this day in a hurry.
Exactly.
She's lucky the princess came to her rescue. If not, she would have begged for mercy.
That one, daughter of a failed king, claiming what she is not.
Shh, please. Adugo, lower your voice. The trees have ears. Please don't put us into trouble. Please.
You are right. I almost forgot myself. I'm just overwhelmed that I dealt with that fool that called herself Nnenna.
That's the point. And you, why? What? Why are you not talking?
What more do I say? When Adugo here have completed the work.
You can say that again.
Yes.
Oh my God.
The master planner.
Yes, strong woman. Well, please let's start going before somebody hears us. Let's go.
Obi, what happened to you?
Yeah.
Obi, what happened?
Ow. Let's just say I missed my step while dancing.
Obi, what happened to your legs?
Yes, I twisted my ankle while dancing.
Well, how can you tell me you twisted your ankle while dancing? You are a professional dancer, for crying out loud.
Yes, I missed it.
Wait, Obi, I said there's something you're not telling me. Because you that I know, you dance very well. There's no way this would happen to you.
I'm serious. It's
Obim, is there something you're not telling me? Can you talk to me?
Okay. It's Adugo. She said her leg and made me to fall.
I thought as much. I knew things like this would not happen. Adugo? Why? You know what? I'm coming.
No.
Let me go and teach her a lesson. I need to talk to her myself.
Please don't go. Please, I'm serious. Please, you don't have to confront her. Please don't do anything. I can handle this. I know you can.
I hope you're not that hot.
It's a bit painful.
Okay. Please, let me handle this with Adugo.
No, please, come and sit.
No, let me handle this with Adugo.
Please.
No, I need to talk to Adugo about this. She don't need to do this again to you.
Please, please, please. Please don't do this. This should be between us, please. Please. I don't want you to go causing any trouble. I promise I can handle this. I will take care of it myself. I don't want the people of Amana Ato to start hating on you because of me. Please.
Then, on one condition. Okay. That you would allow the traditional healer to concentrate and finish whatever he's doing on this leg.
I promise. Please, can you sit with me?
No.
I'm serious.
I actually came here for us to go walk around the village. How is that going to happen?
I will do that when I'm healed.
Obimbo, please. You don't have to hide anything from me.
Okay, I promise. I will not hide anything from you again. And you too, don't go causing trouble. Come on now.
I don't like the sight of it. I'm hot. I feel broken inside of me.
Sorry. Close your eye.
I should close my eyes.
Close your eye.
Will you talk to me when I close my eyes?
Yes, close your eye.
No, I want to be seeing you. I'm not happy about this.
Thank
but
you.
Please, next time you learn to tell me the truth when things of this kind happens.
I will. Thank you.
You'll be fine. Sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. Thank you so much, my child. May the gods bless you for helping an elderly woman like me.
You say you'll be fine, Nnene.
Huh? Nnenna. Nnenna. You. Nnenna. Sorry. I'm listening.
Sorry.
Hey! Nnenna, how dare you? If you come close to me, I will kill you. Nnenna!
You were trying to
kill you. Nnenna, how dare you? How dare you lay this your cursed hands on me? Nnenna, Nnenna, when? Nnenna, when? Hey.
Sorry, I was just trying to help you. You were almost falling.
Help me, but Nnenna, how dare you? You decided to help me. Then why not help this your miserable life? Eh? Nnenna, in case you don't know, I have walked on this road longer than you know, Nnenna. Nnenna, how dare you? Nnenna,
Nnenna, what have I ever done to you? You fell down. I was just trying to help.
Miss Bugodema! And you thought you could play the hero choir? Oh, yeah, no, now. It's a mado. Nnenna, listen and listen very good. Never you in this life try this nonsense again. Never you come close to me. Come close to me.
Sorry.
Nnenna, Amusu. Amusu. Chọrọ ihe na-egbu.
What have I ever done to this woman? I was just trying to help her, eh? Ha! What type of problem is this? Perhaps she just beat me up because I was just trying to help.
Princess.
Ikem, greetings.
You startled me.
Oh, sorry. Sorry about that.
What are you doing in the bush by this time of the day?
I've been standing and waiting to see you. Ikem, I want to learn how to hunt. Please, can you teach me?
Wait, you? You want to learn how to hunt? The princess of Amana Ato Kingdom wants to learn how to hunt. I know you're joking.
Okay, I'm not joking. Wait. You think I'm fragile because of the crown on my head? No. Ikem, I've walked this land since I was a child. I've seen the hunt from the sidelines. I just want to feel the wind on my face and the heartbeat of the forest. Ikem, I promise you, I won't be a burden.
Okay. I don't even know what to say.
Ikem, just say yes to me. Just say yes, and I'll prove to you that I can do it. If anything goes wrong, I will take the blame.
Listen, hunting is a dangerous thing to do. I want you to understand that the forest does not hold memories. It doesn't care about title. And should anything happen to you, I can't even afford my head being chopped off by the kingdom.
Ikem, I am the princess of this land. Nothing is going to happen to you. Just say yes. I will take the blame like I said. It's a deal, right? I'm going to be your shadow.
Please, princess, I would beg you go back home, okay? Let me continue with...
Ikem, please. Just hold on. Maybe you think I'm fragile because of the crown on my head. No. I've walked this land since I was a child. I've seen the hunt from the sidelines. Ikem, trust me. Just say yes, and I'll prove to you that I can do it. If anything goes wrong, I will take the blame. It's a deal, right? Nothing is going to go wrong. Please teach me.
Okay. It's a deal. So, I was going this way.
Okay.
So if you want to begin this day, that means you're joining me to this part of the forest.
There's no problem.
Shall we?
My princess, are you sure you're going to be okay?
I'm fine. Just hold on. Wait for me. I'm coming, okay?
Alright.
Ikem.
How could you bring yourself to do something like that? Even if the princess pleaded with you, must you say yes?
I said, I am sorry. Can you just calm down?
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't do it. The news is all over the village that my man went hunting with the princess, with Adeze. You left me here limping while you were out there having fun.
She only wanted to learn. She asked me to teach her how to hunt and I offered to teach her. Nothing more.
In as much as the princess helped me, that doesn't give her the right to come close to you. You are my man. You belong to me and not to the crown that shines brighter than the sun without value.
I'm perceiving something.
What are you perceiving?
Something is burning.
There's nothing burning. I can't perceive it. I can't.
You can't perceive it? And that's because it's coming from you.
I don't understand.
Jealousy.
Oh, Beam, stop.
Someone is
stop.
burning.
Stop.
Someone is
I'm
burning.
still angry with you. Stop.
Somebody is burning.
Stop. I'm still
You're not listening. Oh. Sorry, my love. Sorry. Okay, fine. No more jealousy. I'm all yours.
Why are you leaving me? I'm going to fall. Why are you leaving me?
Okay, sorry. I know how you feel.
Please don't do this again. I don't want you being close to her.
If being close to her is going to make me lose this one most precious gift, then far off I go. Oh, sorry, but I said I'm going far away. Easy.
My heart, my love, onyekemo. Because me wakwana mo bibo, eti wakwana mo bibo. If you never knew no bibo, baby mo onyekemo. Remember the promise.
Nnenna, wake up. Wake up.
Just like they say, every man with his own problem. Why Nnenna is here drinking himself to stupor on the lap of a cursed woman?
I am busy chasing on all the beautiful ladies in this kingdom. What one man do? What pleases me is what I do. What pleases him is what he's doing. Let me go and look for one. And enjoy myself for this night.
Nnenna, stand up. Stand up and go home. Do you want to kill yourself?
Nnenna drank himself to stupor again. Are you not sure it's caused like Nnenna? I'm sure definitely it's caused. Let's go.
Dancing.
Nnenna, do you want to kill yourself? Stand up. Stand up.
Where? Hey! Nnenna. You're a bright star. You're a bright star. Yes. Bright. You're a mango, ripe mango. You always put me. You're sweet. Hey!
Nnenna, stand up. You are going to walk home by yourself before the night swallows you. Stand up.
Hey, you're helping me to stand.
Stand up.
Thank you. So, this thing, is there still drinking? It's finished.
Let's go.
Okay, I should go.
Look at how everybody is looking at you.
Who is that?
They are lying down on the village road.
Let them look. I should all go. Let them look. I don't care. You are the one you're pushing me. I like it. Push for me. Let me go fast. But take...
Nem.
You need to rest after a long day.
I'm just sitting out here to get fresh air. I will go inside when I'm ready.
What's on your mind? You look like a man that is carrying a storm on his back. What is weighing you down?
A Daisy.
Oh. It's about the princess.
I seem not to be comfortable with the way she's getting too closer. She's beginning to advance way beyond my expectations.
Fair enough. Since she's advancing, it's good.
Well, I don't think so.
What don't you think so? You cannot say what is right in front of you. Maybe you think a hunter's life is all about tracking and trapping grass cutters. There is a bigger beast to hunt.
What are you saying?
What I'm saying, my son, is a man who can win the heart of the princess can win more than a rat. The throne is not just a seat, it is a shield. And with the princess by your side, you can change the way things are. The hunter cannot overhunting in the forest. Be wise, my son. Be wise.
I do go leave my path.
Well, look who has risen from the mighty fall. I thought the earth would have kept you down a little longer.
You think I did not know what you did at the dance practice the other day? I choose to keep quiet for one reason. Don't make me regret it.
Quiet? I'm shaking. Quiet, you said? You sound as if you did me a favor by shutting that pit hole on your face.
Well, my dear friend, even if you would have told the whole world about what happened, no one would have believed you.
Exactly.
What pity. You're alone in this village. Know that and know peace.
What are you doing here?
I sense you are in trouble. So, I came to help. Should I strike them?
No, don't. They'll think I'm running mad. No, don't do it. You put me in trouble.
Who is she talking to? Maybe she's mad. I think she's mad. I think we should leave here for safety. Let's leave this. Let's go. Come, let's go, please. Look, if you keep doing this, people will think I'm running mad.
Shouldn't have prevented me.
Ola, you have to stop showing up like this. People will think I'm running mad or a witch as speculated.
So, are you saying I should stay away from you?
I did not say that. I'm just saying you should keep your distance.
Fine.
Why is he not showing up yet?
We have been standing here for ages, waiting for him. Why do you keep waiting for a man who obviously has less interest in you?
Ola, can you just stop? Stop, let me think.
Love for 120. Love for 120. Ijamuna love for no for the 120. What? Well, I love for no. Hey!
Who is this?
Nnenna, they was beautiful. It do good. Hey!
His name is Nnenna. He's the only friend I have in this field. He doesn't hit on me like the other villagers. And that is why I don't mind him drinking too much. So.
I see. You are talking to yourself. There is something behind this. There's a spirit. I believe she's fine. Because if she's beautiful, I'm interested.
Nnenna, I can see you are really drunk this time. Tell me, how many cake did you take?
This is the way you see it. Now let me take one for addition. You're before.
If you are saying he's your friend, then who am I?
Ola, just shut up. Shut up and mind your business.
It's obvious. It's obvious. This one you're standing here alone talking to yourself. There's a maiden standing beside you. It's a spirit. I can feel it. See, let me tell you. Do you know why I keep to myself? Because you're too beautiful for me. You understand? Some other people are rushing you, but if you have any spirit friend that is as beautiful as you are, I'm very, very interested. Thank you. I am at a particular echelon now. So anything good comes my way, I like it. Hi.
Okay.
Hi. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Tomato. You are like Papa. You know Papa, the long one. Not those short ones. The one that's like yellow and a little mixture of red inside it. Hi. Beautiful.
Nnenna, tell him I am older than his late great-grandmother.
Nnenna, Ola said that she is older than your late great-grandma.
It's not Ola. I don't like this. Do you know how old I am? Let alone my late grandma. Man, don't joke with my late grand though. Okay, if that Ola is as old as she claims to be, let her appear. Let me see her physical. Yes, because I know there's someone here.
Nnenna.
Nnenna.
Come and be going.
As you go.
I'm not in the mood for you right now. For all these your talks, please come and go.
Okay.
We're going like that.
As you just go. Just like that. Go like that. Okay, I will continue with my...
Go, I'm waiting for somebody. Go.
Sorry. Love for 120. Love for 120.
Stop drinking too much, oh.
I will try my best. Ijamona love. Not for the 120. Hey!
Greeting, Your Highness.
Shh, just shut it. I don't need your greetings. Look, I don't want to ever see you close to Ikeju again. Stay away from him.
Stay away? But why?
I want Ikeju, and I shall get him. I made my findings, and I discovered that you were the maiden he has been seeing. That's why I've come to meet you.
I'm sorry, my princess, but I can't stay away from Ikeju. I've built something with him. We love each other so much that we are mirror for each other's soul. Not even you or nor anyone else can make me stay away from him.
What gave you the audacity to speak to me in that manner? I helped you the other day, and now you just proved to me that you're an ungrateful wretch.
My princess, I appreciate the fact that you helped me the other day. But that doesn't mean I'll have to give up my love because of your selfish reasons. I love Ikeju and he loves me too.
How dare you? How dare you? Look, the next time I will warn you again, you will not like it. Now smell out! Get out!
You know, the whole community has been talking that you and the princess are now united. I don't understand.
Well, I hate to admit that, but it's true. You see, I and the princess are now more like best friends.
No now. The princess? What about Nnenna?
Well, if you ask me, I will tell you that I've left her already, but she actually doesn't know that yet. It happened so fast.
No now. Wait. No now. Eh? No now. How can you do this to her? Although I don't like that maiden for you, but this kind of breakup is a breakup I can't even wish for my own enemies.
You were the one who said you don't like her for me. So you should be supporting me. Anyways, that's by the way. I don't know really, I can't really tell what happened. It's just that at some point I lost the fire. You see, there's this burning fire that grows my heart for her, but suddenly it went off.
Ikeju, you are the one who taught me that love is a hunt that you chase until you get it. Now you have your own at your own hands. Why are you letting it go like that?
What if the love slipped on its own time? What if the love just to sleep on its own? I mean, it happens. Listen, I tried sustaining it, but it didn't work. I did my best. I tried.
I don't like this, so I don't like this.
Let the gods bear me witness that I did everything possible to make this relationship to work. I didn't leave her. I mean, what we felt for each other left. Well, she doesn't know we've broken up. That's the thing. I think I'm a good man, well deserving of the princess, and the princess deserves a man like me. So, as you're seeing me here, you should learn to address me properly as the man after the princess's heart.
Okay.
Come with me, let me show you what I want to show you. Okay.
Chichiringba akangba kangba, 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 chichiringba akangba. Obi, are you okay? You're not even looking at me. And I'm dancing for you.
I was paying attention. I was listening. I was watching you dance.
No, you were not.
I was.
I know you were not. Are you okay? Is there something bothering you? You know you can confide in me. I'm always here for you.
I am fine. I was just watching you do your thing. You were singing, right? You were singing a while ago. I was watching you.
But you were not concentrating. You talk to me. What is it? You have been acting somehow. You're far from me. Why are you distant?
I'm sorry to let you know that. I'm sorry. I've tried. I've been pushing to sustain this. I'm sorry to let you know that the fire that lit our path as lovers has gone off. That fire suddenly vanished. I don't feel anything for you anymore.
Obim, I don't understand. Are you breaking up with me? After what we've shared?
Listen, I didn't plan for it to end this way. I tried as much as I can to bear the fire of the love I felt for you. But everything is gone.
No, Obim, nothing is gone. We're still together. You promised me. You promised to always be by my side.
Yes.
You love me. I love you too. Obim is me, is Nnenna.
Nnenna, listen up to me. I promise to love you. I promise to cater for you. I promise to go hunting for you. I promise to look after you in everything. But love isn't a promise you can keep when the heart stops listening.
Please, Obim.
Nnenna, please.
Obim.
Please. Nnenna, please. I have to go.
No, is it because of Adeze? It's because of Adeze, right? Obim!
Nothing hurts than when you are rejected by those you called your own. Our destiny is in our hands. Our destiny is in our hands. Malaysia, Malaysia, no menja, no menja, isiepom, no nyoja, Malaysia, our destiny.
Greetings, my princess. Greetings, Akoma. Come here. I am on my way to your hut. Is Ikejuru at home?
No.
Where did he go to, if I may?
If I may ask, why are you looking for my brother? I mean no disrespect, but you better stay away from my brother.
How dare you speak to the princess in such manner?
Why did you say that?
He belongs to someone else. My brother is entangled in love, which is not yours to claim.
Hold on. Are you trying to say that I'm not deserving of your brother? Akoma, permit me to remind you that I'm royalty.
Royalty does not bind the heart.
Oh.
Nnenna has been there, through thick and thin. And my brother cannot just turn his back at her like that. Please stay away from my brother.
No one dares speak to me such a way.
No matter how this life treats you, no matter how people see you, don't be afraid. Atunebu wamo magana gina ndimo sobiwa ina ni sufao wachana dima wamo chimachuna wamo
Adeze, please just... Adeze! Adeze, stop what you're thinking, Adeze! Adeze, please, can you just hear me out? Ada! Adeze! Sorry, excuse me. Adeze.
Leave me.
Adeze, please, it's not what you're thinking. I'm sorry.
Your sister made a fool out of me today. Okay, what wrong did I do falling in love with you? Let me ask you, don't I have the right to love?
Just hear me out. Akoma is just a child. Whatever she said to you there, it's because she's a child. And I don't want you to take it to heart.
She really pissed me off today. She did.
Listen. She's my kid sister. And she's just naive. Please do not take to heart whatever she has said to you. Please.
Okay, you know, I'm already upset, but there's nothing I can do. Just because she's the sister of the man that I'm falling in love with. Just because of you. There's nothing I can do.
Just look at those beauty. A beauty that is so strong that even the earth would always hold its footstep as an evidence and memory. I am sorry about what my sister said to you. Place your palm.
Ikem, I'm already stressed. I think I need a massage.
Who am I to say no when the beautiful princess of Amana Ato wants a massage? After you, my princess.
Go on.
Ije love, never knows a man. I formula, knows a man. I see Nnema carry more. I see Mama more. Ije love. Never knows a man. I formula is never knows a man. I see na love my me for.
Come. Why are you acting scared?
I mean, this place looks sacred. So lonely.
Calm down. You're scared. This is my hideout. This way.
Oh, I see.
That's where I come to rest.
Okay. What about this?
This? This is my father's secret prison for people that violate the land.
Oh, secret prison?
Yes.
Oh, interesting.
This way.
Huh?
Just calm down.
How do you feel safe being here alone without maiden, no guard, no security, nothing?
Hey. You're scared? Don't worry. This place is safe. It's my house, like I said.
Wow. You know, I've never seen anything like this before.
Don't worry. I want us to often meet here. This is where I come to anytime I need to breathe. Free from the endless earthquake. The weight of crime that never rests. So, Ikem.
Yes.
I want you and I to always meet here, free from the world. Okay?
Well, I don't even know what to say, you know.
Come.
I don't even know what to say. But you see, princess, I've heard you.
You don't need to say anything. Are you scared?
Scared? Why should I be scared? I jungle through forests and take bushes just to hunt. I mean, this is not anywhere close to what I've visited.
That's my man. My love.
My princess.
Oh. Princess? Don't call me that. Call me my love. Say it. Say it. Say it. My love. Say it. Say it.
My love.
Yes. Come.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Come.
Princess.
Stop.
Shh. Princess. You try them.
You tag on for me. Come here.
Shh. You got any kwam. Princess, because you know, just you got that upon.
Stop it. How dare you walk past me without greeting or recognizing royalty?
I did not see you, my princess.
Meaning I am too small to be visible, or maybe you're blind?
I'm not blind, Adezi. Adezi, why did you break my pot? Why do you keep taking everything away from me?
I've seen nothing yet. By the time I'm done with you, then you know that the princess is the one standing before you.
Should I?
Nnenna! How dare you slap me?
I did not slap you. I'm only trying to pick what you broke.
Then who did? What happened to me?
The river does not always need hand. To move what needs to be moved.
I don't know who slapped you. I don't know.
You are such a liar. We shall see.
Look at how she just broke my pot. You did a great job. Thank you.
Nothing goes for nothing. I need something in return.
I don't understand. What do you need? I really need to head home. I don't know what you're talking about.
Nnenna, I need you to spend little time with me.
Ola,
Please. Nnenna, please.
Okay, let's go.
Fine, let's go.
But what am I going to use this for again?
Worry not. Let's go.
How people see you, don't be afraid.
Idiot! You call yourself brave men, and yet you could not find an ordinary maiden in a mud house. And you say you what do you call yourself again? What do you call yourselves again? Men?
But Your Highness,
Shh! I don't want to hear that. There's no but.
We searched the huts and we searched the huts, the backyard, and
You searched the hut and what happened? You searched and what happened? Where is she?
But Your Highness.
But what? But what? Look, go out there, get Nnenna and deal with her.
When next time we go, yes, you get her.
See, I make up all all these flames in this windows. I do not want to see to it again. Get Nnenna for me and deal with her. Get out!
Yes, Philip, next time we go, we'll get her.
I said get out! Move! Look at them. We searched. And will this do the X? Next time, that slap will come 3 times.
Nnamdi, please wait. Nnamdi, I've been calling you. Why would you do something like this? I've been begging you, please. Why do you hate me so much? What have I ever done to you, Nnamdi?
You think I hate you? Nnenna, you think I hate you? Oh, don't tell me you are thinking I'm the one stopping him from you.
No. I know all of this is none of your problem. It's not your problem, but please, I need you to help me and talk to him. I love Ikechukwu so much. I can't live without him. He's not in his right senses, I know. Please just talk to him for me. Tell him to come back to me. I don't want him to leave, please.
Nnenna, forget him. Just forget him.
Why would you say something like that, Nnamdi? Where is your conscience? Why will you ask me to let go of a man that I've sacrificed a lot for?
Nnenna, just listen. The flowers in the bush are singing sweet melody. But it only takes the pure in heart to hear what they are saying.
What do you mean?
Nnenna, I love you. Nnenna. And I've been watching Ikechukwu hurting you time and time, and you kept on enduring. Nnenna, let me take care of you. I love you, Nnenna.
Nnamdi, I don't know what you're saying, and I don't want to understand. I only came to you to ask you to help me and beg Ikechukwu that I love him. I don't want him to leave me.
Okay.
So I don't want to understand what you are saying.
Okay, Nnenna. All this while I've been hiding under the anger. I've been hiding under the shadows. And I thought keeping myself away from you we solve the problem. But the more I resist you, the more in love I'm falling for you. Nnenna, I love you. I can't withstand my friend hurting you again. Please, let me defend you. Let me be your shield. Nnenna, please.
Thank you for your help. This is not what I came for.
Nnenna, wait. Nnenna, I don't mean it to come out this way. Nnenna, I love you. Nnenna. I don't mean to say this way, but I can't keep it to myself. I need to let her know.
Nnenna, you are here mourning over a love that drifts away. When the true tie you must turn to is the one that bears your lineage legacy.
What do you know about my life? You come here and tell me that I'm whiling away time? You think I don't know what I'm supposed to do? Please, I don't want to talk to you. Just leave.
But I'm your shadow. Nnenna, even when you try to turn away.
You don't even know what heartbreak means. Ola, please leave me alone. I'm tired. You're tormenting me. Can you please go? You're still here. You're still here, right? If you don't leave now, I'm going to kill myself. Leave and never return. You're tormenting me. Just go. I don't want to see you, Ola. Go. You're tormenting me. Don't return.
Please don't.
Our destiny is in our hands.
Nnenna! Nnenna!
Yes, who's there? Nnamdi.
Nnenna, wow. Your skin glows like the moon in the dark, and your hands soft like the flowers in the forest. Otutoma name. Otutoma.
What are you doing here, Nnamdi?
You know, I just brought a token for you. A token.
What kind of a friend are you? You and Ikejuru are friends, and you have always had eyes on his woman.
Nnenna, I'm sorry for that. But I have honestly been praying to the gods for a day like this. A day for me to speak my heart and give you something that comes from my heart.
This is unbelievable. Nnamdi, I don't need this. I can't accept this. Please take them away.
Nnenna, please. I am giving you this not as a bribe, but as a promise that I will cherish, be with you, protect you. I know I know you don't see me the way I'm seeing you, but please, all I'm asking is for you to just give me a chance for me to prove my love for you. Let me show you that I can be more than Ikejuru's shadow. Let me be the one bringing you sunrise every day in your house. Please, don't reject, but accept it.
Nnamdi, I don't want to be angry. I don't need this thing. Please take it away. I want to be left alone. Just go, please.
Okay, you know what? I can drop them here, but please think about it. Okay? I will go.
Just go. I don't want to see you, please. I'm okay. Come and carry your gift. I don't need them.
Please think about it, okay?
Our destiny is in our hands. Our destiny is in our hands. Malaysia, Malaysia, no menja, no menja,
My love, I made you the yam that you ordered for. Oh.
Ike, what took you so long in making ordinary yam? Have the gods decided to teach you patience?
You called the yam I prepared ordinary yam? Anyways, I was busy with the clothes you wore yesterday. I had to make sure that those ones are washed clean before I started with the yam. Oh. Well, if you must know, I added ogiri in this yam. That reminds me, I added oporoko. There's nchwangu, there's usopo in it.
It looks yummy.
You should like it.
Let me wash.
Oh, please help with the basket. Thank you. Okay. Are you perceiving the aroma?
Yes.
Let me wash it.
It smells nice. Thank you.
I didn't add inchi because I felt it that you ate inchi already last night, so maybe I'll do it for later.
Let's test it. I can even see the fish.
I told you. Yeah. And there is azopo.
I can see it.
What happened?
Ikem! What kind of rubbish food is this? Are we having a salt festival or what?
Salt?
Yes!
I thought you liked it a bit pepperish.
Okay, you thought?
I added a little salt.
Oh, really? You thought?
But no, not to...
Open your mouth. Eat it! Eat it! Hope it's sweet, right? I'm sorry. I shouldn't have done that. Take it. Okay. I'm sorry. I shouldn't have done that. You know I'm a princess. You shouldn't provoke me. Please. My love. Ikem, you always forget that, my princess. You shouldn't make me angry. Ikem, please, I am sorry. Ego, do you know that some people can be very shameless? They don't deserve to associate with humans. Yet, they try to do everything that we do, including fetching from our stream.
The maiden that speaks with a ghost. I wonder how her life is.
Exactly. I also heard that the charm she was using on a promising young man of our community has expired.
So I heard.
And now he's with Princess Adeze.
Well, I thank the gods on his behalf.
Look at her. Look. Here comes the charming prince. Wait, he's so handsome. Greetings.
Greetings.
Greetings, maidens.
What are you doing? As if you don't like him.
Obim, Omalicham, Ezinwa, Obim.
Nnamdi. What are you doing here?
I thought you might need a break. You can sit down.
That does not answer my question. What are you doing here? Why are you here?
Nnenna, you've been working on this farmland since morning. So I thought it's wise making this delicious food for you other than you stressing your delicate bones. Okay?
Oh, that's so kind of you. I'm not hungry. I'm very fine. I don't need it. Take it back.
Are you sure? Because you are saying you are not hungry, but your stomach is saying another thing. So you can take it and eat. Are you okay? Nnenna, are you okay?
Yes, sure, I'm very fine. I was just wondering how kind you are towards me. You have always hated me, so why the sudden change?
Don't remind me of that again. You know, I was just being a young man who is jealous of seeing his friend walking around with a maiden he has been falling for all this while. So I'm just a jealous friend.
I will take this.
Really?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate it.
You're welcome. You know, let me help you and clear the glasses. Okay?
Our destiny.
Enjoy yourself.
Our destiny is in our hands. Malaysia, Malaysia.
Shame on you, Nnamdi, shame. Shame on you, Nnamdi, shame on you. Shame on you, Nnamdi, shame on you. Shame, 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 shame on you, Nnamdi, shame on you. Shame on you, Nnamdi, shame on you!
What's the meaning of this? What does it seem like? Well, I heard you've been going after Nnenna that I left. You couldn't even wait for me to go far, and then you started sniffing around like a stray dog that you are.
Enough! Enough! Else what?
Now let me tell you something. Look at who's talking. A man who could not even fetch a grass cutter is telling me to watch my tongue.
Let me tell you something. Nnenna deserves a man who is far more better than you. A man who will love her, respect her, and cherish her the way she deserves. And that man is not you.
You lie! Look at the one who is talking about deserves. Well, the last time I checked, you both have the same feathers to me. You can have yourselves. Go ahead and enjoy yourselves. But that's more like you enjoying my vomit, you rascal.
What?
You.
What did you just say?
Ah! Sorry. Hold still. Sorry. Sorry. But you shouldn't have fought him because of me now. Why would you do something like that? You should have just walked away. Sorry. Sorry. Drop your hand, please.
He started it. He was the one that started it first. He threw insult that can cut way more deeper than a blade.
Sorry.
You see, Nnenna, I swear by my ancestors' graves that I will protect you, that I will stand by you. You shouldn't have talked about us that way. I'm sorry that you have to clean up a fight that was never meant for you. I'm sorry.
You don't have to apologize for protecting me. But promise me that you never allow him be a battlefield between us.
I promise. I promise I will protect you. That I will stand by you. I promise. Even when the world tries to tear us apart, I promise I'll stand by you and protect you.
But you never fight again. Nnamdi, promise me that you will not fight again.
I promise to stand by you. That's a promise.
Okay. Just sit, I'm coming. Let me get out of here.
Okay.
I never knew that you are sweet as a honey. See, it got to a point that I was carried away by the sweetness of your honey pot.
You always say that. Just know that I enjoyed every bit of it.
Of course, I will me too. See, I would like to have you more again. Ego,
Obinna. Adogo. So, this is what you two have been doing behind my back? Hey!
It's not what you think, it's not what you think.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. Adogo.
Yes. There is nothing hidden under the sun, and there is nothing that can ever be hidden under the sun. No matter how long it takes, one day it will be exposed to the air. And now is the time. You.
What are you saying?
And you. See, let me tell you, two of you. You are not even sweet. I'm telling you. You are not even as sweet as Mama Ngozi.
Hey! What? Obinna, you are a bad person.
I'm telling you. See, let me tell you. Even as old as that woman is, if she handles me, I feel different. This is how she used to whine. She will whine it, and whine it, and whine it, and whine it. For that woman, if you see what she does, even a 16-year-old child cannot do it.
Obinna.
What?
Is this what you do? You go about sleeping with every woman in this village.
Haven't you heard? The older, the sweeter. Because people don't go there much. So any road that people don't go much used to be very, very tight. They're like, I don't know how many people must have. Chai! Look at you. Look how you are pretending. Look how you are pretending. They will think that you are innocent. Remember the last time?
See how you were.
Hey! Chioma.
Anyway, I'm out of here. You see, I would like to, have you.
Don't touch me!
Listen to my father. I would have listened to my father.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
But when I was touching you inside there, you were harder.
Obinna! Ay! Obinna!
I should have listened to my father.
Chioma! Adogo, what have I done to you? Among all the men in this village, you chose Obinna.
Please, spare me that crap.
I should spare you. Adogo, you're wicked. The gods will punish you for me. Hi! Stop arguing. Let's stop arguing, the both of you. How will you be fighting and arguing over somebody that don't even care about us? Shut up! Are you okay? Stop shouting! That's my man you're talking about here. You're telling me to shut up. Your man? Your man that was mentioning names of maidens he has slept with, including the three of us. Even an old woman. What are you saying? He is still my man, for God's sake. Stop being silly. Are you mad? Are you mad also? How dare you slap me?
Look at you. Chioma. The two of you are so useless.
Who is talking
You
about
are calling us
useless? Who is talking about being useless?
You are useless.
It's your father that is useless.
Your
entire generation. Stop fighting! Look at this. I'm not even talking to you. Now kill yourself because of. Look at. Come here. Baby.
My love, please, just hear me out, please. I can explain, please.
I've had it up to here. You keep embarrassing me. What is wrong with you?
If you would listen to me, I can explain.
Explain what?
Please.
What exactly do you want to explain to me, Kim? The fact that you keep embarrassing me? Kim, you disrespected me. I am a princess. Can't you see? How could you stoop so low in fighting that commoner? Kim, this boy is a commoner. Kim.
I thought...
Kim, for that reason, for the disrespect you've given to me and my crown, you're going to feel the stink. Okay. Your hand.
Please don't do
Ikem, your hand.
It's not intentional.
Stretch it!
It's not intentional, please. It's not intentional, please.
Stretch your hand. I'll flog your head. I'll flog your entire body.
Okay. Ah! Please, it's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry, please. Please.
If you open your mouth and shout again, if you try it.
Okay. Hey! Enough of this! Enough!
Ikem, go down.
No! You will not do it again!
Go down!
This is not the kind of relationship I want to be with you! Why would you be disciplining a man like this as if I am a child? For crying out loud, I am the man in this relationship and I don't deserve to be treated that way! I'm not giving you my hands to flog again.
How dare you? Kim, have you forgotten that I'm the gatekeeper of this relationship?
And I will walk out of this relationship. You will not do anything to stop me.
Is that what you think?
Yes.
Ikem, let me remind you again. I am the gatekeeper of this relationship. You think you can walk in and walk out as it pleases you? Who does that? To me, the princess?
I am leaving this relationship and you will not stop me.
Try it. Just move one step. Then I will tell the entire people of Amana Ato, the elders, that you've been maltreating me. You've been abusing me all this while. So try it. Just one step. Move! One step!
You are determined to ruin my life? With lies? And Daisy, how dare you? You intend to ruin my life with lies? You and I know that you are lying about this. I never laid my hands on you. I've never touched you as a man. I am leaving this relationship and nothing you will say that will make me stay back.
I'm not bragging.
You want to tell me? I'm leaving!
Ikem, come back here! Ikem, come back here! Follow me.
Soraiki, where have you been all day? What happened to you? happened to your hands? They are swollen.
Will you get out of my sight?
Mother! Mother!
If you don't leave here now, get out! Get out of my sight!
Mother, come.
What happened?
Look at your son's hand. The hands are swollen.
Let me see. Can you let me see? Can you show me your hand? Open it! What happened? Who did this to you? Speak! Who did it to you? Who? No.
I don't know.
Stop.
Let me continue now.
No, stop. You are the best. And I'm sure Amana Ato will be proud of you on that festival day.
Thank you.
But there's something else.
And what could that be?
Alright, you have to turn. I think I will dance more better than you on our wedding day.
Marriage?
Yes, marriage. I love you enough to spend the rest of my life with you. Will you marry me?
You're proposing?
Yes. And I want the people of Amana Ato to see that the best dancer in Amana Ato is getting married to somebody who is far more better than her in dancing.
And who could that be if I may ask?
Me, of course.
You?
Yes.
Okay, it's fine. Show me.
You want me to dance for you?
Yes, show me.
Okay. You want me to show you my dancing steps?
I was dancing here, so you dance here. Let me sing for you.
Alright.
Jikwa jiji, jikwa jiji, jikwa oyoyo. Jikwa jiji, jikwa jiji, jikwa oyoyo.
Jikwa.
Dance very well. And I'm learning fast.
So you're learning. At this age, you're still learning. Instead of you to become the instructor, you're busy learning.
Mother, other ladies dance better than me now.
Why? Ozwadro. Who is outside you?
Adeze is on her way to this house. When she comes, tell her that I'm not in the house, please.
Why?
Mama, just do what I told you. Tell her that I'm not in the house. She's come.
Who is after him?
She's outside him. See her.
Okay.
Oh,
He came. Juru.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings, my princess.
Greetings, Akoma. Nne, I came to see Kejuru.
Oh, he stepped out not quite long ago.
He stepped out?
Yes.
Where did he go to?
We don't know. We don't know.
Nne, in that case, if he returns, tell him that I came by.
Oh,
okay.
Okay.
Okay, Nne.
Wanabo.
Oh.
What is her problem? Can't she stay in her palace and leave us alone?
Why are you raising your voice? Why are you raising your voice? Yes. What is funny? Why are you laughing?
Mama, are you sure she's gone?
She has gone! Why are you running away from the princess? Are you no longer a man? You're running away from a mere woman.
Why is she laughing?
I don't know. Understand?
Ikwikwi, why are you laughing?
What is funny?
Ikwikwi, why are you laughing? Ikwikwi, why are you laughing?
What is funny?
Eh? Ikwikwi, what?
You thought you hide from her, right? You really thought you hide from her. See, let me tell you, you are just as slippery as a fish, and she will catch you.
Why you shut up your mouth?
Mark my words.
Who invited you? No, we cannot. Is she talking to me? Is she talking to me? Onyala, Awanje.
Then why are you running away from the princess?
Amanda, sure she's gone. Are you sure?
I don't understand. Where is this fear coming from? She's a woman, you're a man.
I was just scared. Mama, is this yam?
Cocoa yam, Papa.
Okay. I'm hungry now. Let's eat. Are you not eating with me?
Don't touch me again. I'll stand here. I'm listening.
Nnenna, I am sorry about what I did. I know I broke your heart. I knew I inflicted so much pain into your soul, but then I didn't know what came over me.
Nothing came over you, Ikejuru. You left me. You chose your path. You made your choice. You left me, you left us. And you think you can walk back into my life and expect me to welcome you with open arms?
Just like I said, I don't even know. I think I allowed greed to make decisions for me. Okay, listen. Nnenna.
I don't like what you're doing. If Nnamdi sees me here, he won't like it.
Nnenna. You still remain the best part of me. The best thing that has ever happened to me as a human. Please.
It's too late, Ikejuru. The path you chose leads to the palace and not to me.
No. Nnenna, the path I chose was leading to you. I really can't tell what changed the pathway. Please, Nnenna. Honestly, I can change. I have changed, Nnenna. I would make it up to you 1,000-fold if you allow me back. Please.
I can see you have nothing else to say.
Then let's take it. A chance. Just please.
You lost that chance already.
Nnenna. I can do anything. Anything. Nnenna. Nnenna.
Wipe your tears. Noburu no gebegyo. Bichanya mire presina. Echini nega kama inugo. Umwamule yu ebezina. Wipe your tears. Umarichama.
Akoma, please, I need your help. Please. I am losing her. Nnamdi, my friend, he's already making plans to marry Nnenna. Please, I cannot afford to lose her. Help your brother, Biko. Any way you want to do it, any way, she's a fellow woman. You can help me, Biko. Oh, Biko.
Brother, should I advise you?
Okay, yes, I'm listening. Anything, any other advice, I'll take it.
If you know what is best for you, move on.
How can you say I should move on? Move on to where? Where do I know I'm moving to? Please, I cannot move anywhere. I cannot afford to lose Nnenna now because just help me, please. Biko.
Those two has gone far for you to even think about it. Yes. Haven't you seen her skin glowing? He's really taking care of her, which is making me to want to fall in love.
Akoma?
Yes.
May thunder fire you. Akoma!
Yes.
May thunder anyway visit you. You're supposed to support your brother and not to come and ruin my joy. You should have my back. Support me. I am crying as your brother. Support me. Do something and help me get in her back. You're here to come and ruin the little one I was trying to sustain.
Okay, fine. If it's what you want, I will leave you. I will leave you with that Adeze, whose crown is without value.
Megwiga kananya. I forgive one. Megwiga kananya. Okay, but come, please, come back. Come and think again. I know what. I am alone.
The destiny of Amana Ato is in your hands. Do the needful before the tide turns.
Who's there?
4 market days, the veil grows thin. The balance falls out. You must act.
Why me? Why? After all the hatred and sadness, why? Why must I be the one to pour Amana Ato from their wrath? I'm just a dancer, I'm not a savior.
The river of fate runs through you. The fire within you must be light.
Please, I can't do this, please. No, please, I can't do this, please.
Abomination! Aru! People of Amana Ato! The worst has happened! The worst has happened! People of Amana Ato! Aru Emego!
What's happening?
Nnenna, as I'm speaking to you, I'm just coming from the river. The river has turned red. In fact, we are cursed! We are cursed! People of Amana Ato!
Let me go and check. Obina!
Our destiny is in
What is the problem? Have you seen a ghost? Guinea. I tell me now, one me hobu bim puta ogini. Yeah.
All the goats. All the whole goats are dead.
Are what?
Every single goat, Nanye.
Hey!
Are dead.
Wait, Mbeke, are you sure of what you are telling me?
My blood everywhere.
Blood everywhere?
My blood everywhere.
Let me go and see it.
Come and see for yourself now.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Hey. Hey. Mazuko.
Hi. Ego atami gunisi.
It's you back.
Eh? If I tell you what my eyes have seen, hey! I went to my farm to pick a little thing. Getting there, I discovered that all my crops have dried up as if the earth itself sucked life out of them. As that was not enough, the whole farm caught fire. As if the sky has fallen on it.
Amadio, hey! What do we call this? Do you know that all my goats are dead? As if that is not it. And all our rivers have turned into blood. Ichiobaga, this cannot be coincidence. This can't be.
Mazokoi, it seems as if my heart is gone out of my body. I'm feeling dizzy now.
Hey, Ichiobaga.
Ola, can you hear me? Ola, please, I'm tired. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for speaking to you rudely. Please, I really need you. I can't do this alone. I'm sorry for the way I scolded you. I'm sorry for the way I shouted at you. Please, just come. Ola, please. You're my guardian spirit. Please. Ola, please, I'm begging you, please. Please just come to me. Why won't you come? I'm calling you. Please just come. Ola, I'm sorry that I didn't listen to you when you were warning me about the river. Please. Ola, please. Please, just a whisper, please. Anything that you can do, just a sign, please. Let me just feel your presence, please.
Mazokoi,
Chilbaka,
I have a strong feelings that the gods are no longer with us. It is as if the earth itself is weeping blood.
you are right, Ichiobaka. I've never seen or experienced such a season. I wish the king was here. He would have known the rites or the right sacrifice to appease the gods.
You're right. Were you talking of the king that vanished when the first star fell from the sky? We cannot sit any longer and wait for the man that abandoned his people when they needed him most.
Then, what do you suggest we do? Or should we wait and allow darkness swallow us?
Hey, Baba! Hey, no! Never you say such! I suggest we go to the shrine to see the priest of Obelago. I heard from people that he does hear from the river spirit. At least he has the ability to untangle the knots that besiege us in this land.
Then, what are we waiting for? Let's leave tomorrow by sunrise.
Okay.
Elders of Amana Ato Kingdom, I welcome you once more.
Thank you,
Greetings,
Ezemo.
Ezemo.
You came bearing the weight of a kingdom bleeding.
You're right, wise one. Our land has been engulfed with calamities. We can no longer say what will happen thereafter. Our lands have turned to ashes. Our animals are dying. We have even with our eyes seen the rivers turned into blood. That is why we are here.
We are here to know how to appease the gods.
The gods are wrathful, but not without cause. Long ago, the king of Amana Ato had an agreement with the river spirits. In exchange for rain and fertile soil, the kingdom would keep the sacred dance alive and guard the holy symbol. The king betrayed his trust. He stole the symbol, thinking his powers could be hidden.
If only the king was here, he would have known the way forward.
The king fled, but the covenant remains. The only way to restore the flow is for a maiden, the last living descendant of the original priest line, to perform the forgotten dance. That reestablishes the bond.
Where's one? A maiden? Who could she be?
The child was born under a cursed star. Her father was struck by lightning a day before she was delivered. And her mother died during childbirth, leaving the infant alone in the world. The gods marked her, but they also sealed her fate.
Ezemo, Nnenna, my brother's daughter had the same fate, but I don't think it is her because she is cursed now.
Do not speak such blasphemy, son of the soil. Else, the wrath of the gods will fall upon you. The time is short, and the people of Amana Ato shall begin to die with each sunrise.
But we all know that this girl in question cannot be.
As the now to go with the Zeno de Kemenlozo. To clear up your doubts, take this sacred stone to her. When she lays her hand on it and it glows, then your doubt is cleared. Now take.
Thank you, wise one.
Thank you.
But if she cannot perform the dance?
The dance is not taught. It is remembered in blood. She will know the step to take when the river calls for her. Now go!
Thank you, wise one.
Iya tunavo ogwena nkwo ajwa lose. Iya tunavo ogwena nkwo.
Welcome, Nnenna.
Welcome, my daughter. We came with a purpose. we would like to discuss with you, please.
What do you want from me?
We brought the sacred stone. Nnenna, it has chosen you.
And you think of all people, I will listen to you, uncle?
My daughter, please, we need your indulgence in this matter now, please.
Okay, okay.
This stone was taken from the depths of the river. And it is said that if the true descendant of the priest line touches this stone, it will manifest the covenant. That is why we are here, to confirm if you are truly the chosen one.
It worked. Hey! My daughter, truly, you are the chosen one.
Yes, I've always known. So what? You asked me to dance, to burn this kingdom again? No, I won't do that. No stone, no prophecy will ever make me to perform the dance for the people that cast me out.
I'm not your savior. I'm not your sacrifice. If you want the river to run clear again, find another way.
Watch what is going on in our lands. Our crops have dried up. Our rivers have turned to blood. Our animals are dying. Nothing is working again in our land. Please.
Please.
Help us out, please. Please.
I'm sorry, I can't do it.
Hey. My daughter, I was stunned at the revelation of the root cause of the challenges of this land. My eyes opened when we get at the Bodo Shrine. The root cause of the challenges was unveiled. Nothing was hidden. In fact, at this junction, I do not know what to say again.
Father, I remember how I treated Nnenna. The harsh words when she needed me most. The entire village turned their backs on her. We called her curse. And now, we need her the most.
You are right, my daughter. Who would ever believed that the same person we disdained, we call names, we look down upon, is now the pillar of salvation to our land? This is why people do say that rejected stone is now the pillar of salvation.
For Nnenna, how could she go through all the torment, the pain the disregard, just when she knew who she was? We cursed her. We called her a witch.
Father, we made her a shadow of our own self in our father's land. We treated our savior like a stray dog. Can Nnenna ever forgive me? Father, how do we make amends? How?
Gods of our land, we implore you to forgive our ignorance. We trail on this path because we did not know. Our hearts are broken. Help us to make amends of all our mistakes.
Please.
It's okay.
Listen, Nnenna, I'm talking to you. Nnenna, hear me out. Nnenna, listen to me. Nnenna, hear what I have to say. Nnenna, please, we need you. Nnenna, Amana Ato needs you. Amana Ato is dying. Even if it means you dancing just for once. For once, I know this curse could be lifted. I know we can have rain. We can have food on our table and our children will smile.
No, Nnamdi, don't ask this from me.
Nnenna, Amana Ato is bleeding. Please, we need you. I need you. Do this for me, please.
Enough. Nnamdi, you don't get it. You don't understand. They can perish for all I care. I have nothing to lose. My mother died bringing me into this world. My father was struck down even before I could know his face. The village called me curse. If they will perish, then let them perish.
Nnenna, how can you spill such ill from your mouth? It hurts me to tell you this, but you sound so selfish right now. You sound selfish. Does it mean our love doesn't mean anything to you? You speak of lose, yet you're not even afraid of losing me.
Stop!
If I die today, you won't even feel a shiver. You will stand and watch Amana Ato bleed and smile because you've already given up, right? Right?
Nnamdi, please don't do this. Nnamdi.
Nothing hurts than when you are rejected by those you called your own. Our destiny is in our hands.
We came with a purpose. And we would like to discuss with you, please.
What do you want from me?
We brought the sacred stone. Nnenna, it has chosen you.
And you think of all people, I will listen to you, Uncle?
My daughter, please, we need your indulgence in this matter now, please.
Okay, I can hear you.
This stone was taken from the depths of the river. And it is said that if the true descendant of the priest line touches this stone, it will manifest the covenant. That is why we are here, to confirm if you are truly the chosen one.
Yes, I've always known. So what? You asked me to dance to bind this kingdom again? No, I won't do that. No stone, no prophecy will ever make me to perform the dance for the people that cast me out. I'm not your savior. I'm not your sacrifice. If you want the river to run clear again, find another way.
Please, watch what is going on in our land. Our crops have dried up. Our rivers have turned to blood. Our animals are dying. Nothing is working again in our land. Please. Please. Help us out, please. Please.
I'm sorry, I can't do it.
Hey.
Amana Ato, it's you. Amana Ato is dying. Even if it means you dancing just for once. For once, I know this curse could be lifted. I know we can have rain. We can have food on our table and our children will smile.
No, Nnamdi, don't ask this from me.
Nnenna, Amana Ato is bleeding. Please, we need you. I need you. Do this for me, please.
Enough. Nnamdi, you don't get it. You don't understand.
They can perish for all I care. I have nothing to lose. My mother died bringing me into this world. My father was struck down even before I could know his face. The village called me curse. If they will perish, then let them perish.
Nnenna. Nnenna, how can you spill such ill from your mouth? It hurts me to tell you this, but you sound so selfish right now. You sound selfish. Does it mean our love doesn't mean anything to you? You speak of lose, yet you're not even afraid of losing me.
Please stop!
If I die today, you won't even feel a shiver. You will stand and watch Amana Ato bleed and smile because you've already given up, right? Right?
Nnamdi, please don't do this. Nnamdi.
Let's go now. See.
When are we still going to continue?
Hi, oh. See, I told you now, I've promised you that I will take you to my house. But there is some maintenance I'm doing in my house. That is why I have not taken you to my house. But
you promised me fish.
Listen to what my brother. So you are still talking about the fish? See, I bought fish actually. I bought a very dry fish. If you have no it was very dry. So I kept it inside my room. But before I came back from the farm, rats have eaten them all. That's why I couldn't bring them for you. But see, I promise you.
How will rats eat basket of fish?
See, let me tell you. The next time, I will go to a market. I will buy you one full basket of fish and you one full basket of... And I will even buy you some clothes. Beautiful. Yeah. There's some beautiful I see, Green one you put it on your waist. So they will fit you. Can we go now? You know, Let's go. Let's go.
Greetings, Nnenna.
Greetings, Nnenna. How are you?
I'm fine now. I was on my way to your house.
Okay. Come, let's go.
There'll be no need for that. You're already here. I'm not here for idle talks nor pleasantries. I've come to tell you that I've thought about it and I've concluded that I will do the sacred dance.
Eh? You will do the sacred dance? Oh, may the gods of our land bless you abundantly. This is good news and it's pleasantry to our ears. At least the rivers will run clear again. Our crops will rise. Nnenna, you have saved us all.
Do not take my decision for forgiveness. I'm not doing this because of you. I'm doing this for the people of Amana Ato. And I've not forgotten what you've done to me.
I know I have no rights over you. But this is for you to save the people. Well, no matter what, I'll stand by you. I'll be with you to see it come true.
I shall dance, but understand that the steps are mine alone. The rivers may run dry again, but I will never forget the wound you carved in my heart. It will never heal.
No matter what happens, know it that I will be there to protect you. Even if you not forgive me, but I will stand by you as my own, so that you save us and save our land.
I shall take my leave now, Nani.
Thanks to the gods.
Now, let the ritual begin.
Let the blood flow clean. I am your daughter. Hear me out.
Thank the gods, the restoration has come.
Amana Ato digoma! Amana Ato digoma! Amana Ato digoma! Amana Ato digoma!
Father! Father, where are you? Where are you? I'm tired. Look at the woman I've become. The heartless and wicked maiden. Where are you? I am tired. You just left me in this wicked land alone. I have nobody. This is not what you promised me. Father, Father, please, where are you? Where are you? I have nobody to talk to. Nobody, I'm just here alone. You left me with just a crown that has no respect, that has no value. What am I going to do with it? What? What exactly? What exactly? Father, please, I don't know if you can hear me. Please, I am tired. I am tired. What am I going to do? What do you want me to do? What exactly? Just, if you can hear me, talk to me. What exactly? Father, I curse you today! You will never have peace wherever you are. Even in the afterworld, you will never! Nobody will have pity on you. Curses will rain on you like a heavy rain wherever you are. I cursed the day I opened my eyes as a child and saw you as my father. You don't deserve to have me. You don't. You don't deserve to have me. You don't deserve to have me.
Nnenna, we came to ask for your forgiveness with all these gifts. Please, we know that we have spoken ill about you and we have wronged you in many ways. please, we ask you to forgive us from the bottom of our hearts. I just go to be anywhere be yoga here. Biko bagara.
But I am no God. The wounds you speak of are not healed by food.
Nnenna, we know you are not a God, but you are the only God we are seeing right now. The one who walked among us and speak to the ancestors. Nnenna, please, forgive us.
Please.
You really dealt with me.
Nnenna, we are sorry for all our actions against you. In fact, I'm taking back whatever word I have spoken against you. And anything that I have taken from you, I'm returning it back to you. Please, please forgive us.
Nnenna, please, be the child I never had. We really need you in this family. Please.
Your forgiveness are not mine to give. But I release the bitterness, the hatred that clogs my heart. And I'll be the daughter you never have. Mama.
Really?
Papa.
You called me Papa? Hey! Then I will be your father. I will be your father for real. Come here. Come here. You are now the daughter that we never had.
Yes, Papa.
May our gods continue to bless you.
Nnenna.
This is wonderful.
Mela. Thank you.
Our gods. Thank you. Thank you for a day like this. We now have a daughter. Whatever you need will be provided for you.
Yes.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, my daughter.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey!
What did you just say? No. Did I hear you right? You love her. After everything you did to her.
This is not time to apportion blames. I take full responsibility for what happened between us. I shouldn't have listened to my mother.
Hey, see! No! Do not mention my name. What am I for? So if I ask you to put hand into the fire, you will put hand and come back to blame me. Egu, come and suck breast. Allah! You can choke Allah more for and man.
Nne, welcome.
Young.
But I think love is not just a word you just throw around when it's convenient. Ike, you broke her heart. And it's not mother's fault.
I don't even know how to stand Nnenna again. I had everything working out for good. Not until when mother planted the seed of separation deep in my heart.
Ikejo, listen and listen good. A hero does not jump into the fire because someone else told him to. He does that because he knows the fire is the only way to the other side. Be wise, have sense. Because this trip is a long one. I need to rest. If Remo is not too young. Who told you you're young? Your mates are giving birth to 3 children by now. You say, I am way too young. My love is this. You broke her heart.
Mother, did you bring anything for me?
Carry me. Eat it. It's food. You're telling yourself I'm way too young. Young and dumb.
Now I understand the popular saying, disagree with a woman by listening to her.
Mother, you did this to me.
Oyibo ke na so. Isosia. You go and look for a wife and marry. Leave me alone. Now.
Our destiny is in our hands.
I thought you would never come. Thank you for always being my guardian. What would I have done without you?
Everything. Because I'm always here for your comment.
And I appreciate that.
Why, Oma? The maiden of the river. Kedi?
Nnenna, you bring a goat into my compound. What mischief have you gotten yourself into this time anymore?
Don't even talk of mischief. Because this one has nothing to do with... Do you know what you did? You saved our village. You turned a curse into a blessing. Mourning into dancing. You're talking of mischief. See, I decided to come and greet you with this little gift. Odompa.
And where did a drunker like you find the money for a goat? Nnenna,
Yes.
you bet to drink a keg of palm wine for money.
Imam, you know me. But I did not take much. It was just a keg.
I know you. I know you.
Yes, sir. Hi.
No problem. I appreciate this. May the gods of this life always smile on you.
You see, let us add it now because it is all over. You have done it. So I say you see on top.
Thank you.
This is for you.
Thank you.
Now, if I may ask, is she here? She said?
She's smiling and staring at you.
Hey, whoa. I smile back. Where exactly is she?
She's like this.
Huh? Like this? Hi! Take my smile. Well done. You have done well. Thank you.
Nnenna, tell him that the good fortune of nature will smile at him on his way back.
Nnenna, Ola said that the good fortune of nature will smile at you as you head back home.
Thank you. That I will go with. So they are smiling at me now.
Yes.
I like it.
Thank you. Don't drink too much.
I will try not to.
Thank you.
Depends on the condition I see myself. But I will try to hold myself. She said nature will smile at me. What do you?
Nnamdi, I'm calling you now. Nnamdi. I am calling you. You're just walking. You don't answer me.
Ikem, what is it?
Nnamdi, listen, I understand that you're angry. I understand that you're mad at me. But I just want us to make amends. I just realized that I've been so stupid.
Now let me tell you one thing. Tell me why you stopped me. Tell me why you are calling me. Or do you want us to start from where we stopped?
No, we're not fighting. Neither are we trying to continue anything else. Listen. Before this time, we used to be very good friends. I was stupid. I just want us to make amends. Please.
Amends? You want us to make amends? You? Oh. Don't tell me you are trying to take Nnenna away from me. Because if that is your plan, it is not going to work.
Oh, my brother.
We have glued our relationship together, so we are inseparable. You can't even separate us.
Listen, I don't intend to separate you and Nnenna. I've also thought about it and I realized that Nnenna deserves the best. She deserves a man like you. What I want is... I want our friendship back.
So now you know that Nnenna deserves a man like me and not you. Now you want our friendship back, right?
I'm sorry, Nandi. Please forgive me.
No problem. I thank the gods you've realized yourself.
Thanks.
Thanks. But you are so powerful. I couldn't even lift you up.
I miss you.
I miss you, my friend. I thank the gods we are back together.
When was the last time you ate in chi? Because I know you've not had it in a long while. You know, I would have to go hunting for you tomorrow. I'll get you an inchi.
And I'm coming with you.
You're coming with me.
I will hold your back.
Our destiny is in our hands.
Manicham. Omem Nobi. Udalam Nicham. Makalisia. You are not only beautiful, you are breathtaking as well.
Oh, babe. This is the third time you're saying this.
But that is true. And that is the reason I can't take my eyes off you. Your beauty glows like the morning sunrise. I want to.
Hey, this man.
Yes. I don't care. If they like, let the people of Amana Ato come and see us here holding hands together. I don't care. All I know is that you are their Messiah.
You flatter me too much.
I don't care. You are the breath that I breathe. Your beauty glows like the morning sunrise. Anytime I think about you, I lost in thoughts. I don't care if the people of Amana Ato will come out and see us together. For I am with the heart that belongs to me. I am with that who makes me feel happy. I am proud of you.
Someone might be watching us.
Let them watch. I don't care. Let them watch. Let them watch.
Let's take off it.
I got you.
You know you're the best thing that I've ever had.
No matter how this life treats you, no matter how people see you, don't be afraid. Atunevu wamo makana gina nimo sobiwa ina nizufao wachoga dima wama chimachunamo wama jiribiwa watunevu imugo wachoga dima chimachunamo wama jiribiwa amaya wachoga dima Chimachunamo, aye, Jiribiya wadawaso, aye, Umachugadima, Chimachunamo, aye, Jiribiya. Wipe your tears, ebesina inuga, fichanya mirio. Wipe your tears, Fichanya mire presino Echini nega kama inugo Mwabulei ebezina Wipe your tears Omari chamwa